Hello students, continuing trigonometry class 11th, the topic is angles and arc length. So in previous videos we have discussed about angles and arc length both. Arc length is basically the part of circumference. This length of the circumference is known as arc length, denoted by symbol S. Radius of the circle R, theta should be in radians. So here is how we can convert radians and degrees to others. This is the angle theta is equal to arc length upon radius, and the conversion of degree to radians as follows. 1 degree is 60 minutes, 1 minute to 60 seconds, and from radian if we want to convert we have to multiply by 180 by pi, and if we want to convert degrees to radians, multiply by pi by 180. Okay, question number 7 of the exercise. The central angle of a circle of radius 50 centimeter. So central angle means the theta formed central angle denoted by theta. Radius is 50 centimeter. Intercept an arc of 10 centimeter. So arc length will be the length of this portion of the circumference S, which is 10 centimeter. We need to find out theta in radians as well as in degrees. So formula is theta equals to S upon R, arc length upon radius. Theta, as we do not know, this is 10 and radius is 50. So we have 1 by 5 radians. Now we have to express in both radians and degree. Radians is done, theta is 1 by 5 radians. One answer is going to be this. Another answer how to find in degree, let's see. To convert radians to degree, we need to multiply by 180 upon pi, where pi value is 22 by 7 unless it is not given in the question. So we have 180 upon 22 upon 7. 7 will go up. 180 into 7 upon 22. Solving this, we will get 126 upon 11. Converting into mixed fraction, 11 into 11, 121 plus 5. Now, this means that यहाँ पर जो whole number आया है, that is degree, and 5 by 11 degrees we will convert into minutes. 60 minutes. So अब ये पूरे bracket में जो भी लिखा है ये minutes है. So we have 11 degree, 300 by 11 minutes. Prostrophy. Now converting further, 300 by 11 is actually 27 3 by 11 minutes. Again whole number minutes 27 minutes. 3 by 11 को seconds में convert करेंगे into 60 seconds. So 11 degree, 27 minutes. This is 180 by 11 minutes. And since minutes के आगे का conversion we do not have in our syllabus now, so what we do is इसको mixed fraction में convert करने के बाद we will leave only the whole number part. So the conversion is as follows: 11 degree, 27 minutes, and 180 by 11 is actually 16 4 by 11, which actually means 16 we will consider here, and this 4 by 11 we will leave due to less further notations we have. So final answer of theta in degrees will be this, and in radians this one. I hope you have understood.